Hello and welcome to my channel. After scrolling through so many videos of hair exfoliators, I have realized they are very complex, the ingredients are hard to find and expensive, and I'm so happy that you found my video today because I will be sharing with you a remedy that is simple and affordable as well. So all you're going to need is 2 teaspoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of ground coffee. We are big coffee drinkers here at home, but if that's not your case, granulated sugar will do just fine. So this is a basic hair exfoliation and it will help keep your scalp clean and healthy by getting rid of buildup. But if you're having problems of dandruff and itchy scalp, you can add 3 drops of tree tea oil to this mixture. Now it's the fun part, the application, and I highly recommend you doing this in a bath because things are about to get messy. If your hair is quite dirty, wash it with the shampoo first. If not, just rinse it and then apply the exfoliation with the tips of your fingers and never with your nails, and massage your scalp for a couple of minutes. Leave it on for up to 10 minutes and then just rinse it off, followed by a shampoo and the conditioner as you would any other time. Apart from cleaning and exfoliating our scalp, coffee helps boosting hair growth, honey has healing properties and helps with circulation, and tea tree oil is a natural anti-inflammatory. As you can see, this is a simple, effective and affordable way to do a hair exfoliator and gets the job done. So make sure you do it once a month to keep your scalp healthy and clean. This is one way you can keep your hair healthy. So if you like this kind of remedies, stay tuned because on my next video, I'll be sharing with you a yogurt hair mask that helps keeping your hair stronger, beautiful and healthy. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!